Good afternoon, everyone. This is Blue Texas Tornado Scratcher coming back at you. It's really good evening. Anyway, I have a $20 session here. I have the buck and truck, and I have show me the money. I know it's not show me the money, but that's what I call it. We got a number 9, Fancy Nancy's number. And the odds on it is 1 in 4.27. And I got 9 and 10. 71 and 72. The odds on this one is 1 in 4.6. So we're going to do 71 first. It has a bonus on it, and it's also a second chance. Adrian? Oh, I got my bonus right there. I think it's good right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you just reveal 2 matching, and that's what you win. Well, it wasn't on that one. You get a wheel, you win double. You get the Chevy symbol, you get whatever it's under there. 27, 14, 6, 48, and 19. 40, 5, 9, Fancy Nancy. 34, 10, Jackie, Adrian and Pam, Elby, Fixing to Scratch, 17, 13 Ponchos, 26, and 38. I didn't even see if I got any of these. I didn't. Okay. Well, I didn't miss nothing. Alright, this one is number 72. And I believe I'm okay right there. Or not. 20 and 10. Okay. I hear Mr. Salem. 46, 33, 18, 32, and 40. Man, I don't have no babies, no 20s. 42? No, I got a 32. I have no 20s. I have no babies. I have 37. I need a 47. No 20s. I got a 17. I need an 18. No babies. And it did me wrong. Alright, show me the money here. You match your number with winning number. If you get a star, you win that. If you get a bag, you win $100. 36, 36, 17, and 31. That's so funny. 24. I don't have no 20s. No 20s. I do have a baby and I do have a teenager. Not the one I want. Salem's mad. Nine, no 9. Uh-oh. That's a uh-oh, guys. My last one. Let's just look for the symbols. Okay, a star and a bag. Star and a bag. No star, no bag. 13, I got a 14, 11, 15, no, 13. Got a 5, let's see, I got 3 and 9. 31. I have no 31s. I have 33. 39. Oh, no, I don't have that. A 7. Well, it was a bust today, but it's okay. These are second wins. I'm at second chance win. I don't know what to do with the other one. I'll put it somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, y'all hit like and subscribe. And no, that ain't it. That's a different one.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, you hit like and subscribe and hit my bell. And y'all have a wonderful day. Peace out.